Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating my family journal. I used the classic size Happy Planner horizontal layout. This is for the week of Monday, November 17th through the 23rd. And I'm going to be using some stickers that are available in my shop. These are some new florals called Berry Mary. And then I think I'm going to try to pair this washi. This is from Passionate Penny Pincher. It's just a really pretty kind of yellowy color that matches these florals with gold grid in it. So we'll see if we can't make that work. So let's get started. All right. I am going to take this long floral and put down here at the bottom. And I think I'm going to add some florals to it. I changed my blades after I cut these stickers, so oops, dang it. So let's put these right down here. That kind of went inside of my little hole punch there. And I mentioned that I'm batch filming. I may end up doing voiceovers for the next 2 weeks of videos if I can get them filmed today. I think it'll just be a lot easier on me if I can kind of edit this week's videos while I'm filming future videos. So I think that's going to be the plan. So yeah, forgive me if I do maybe not even voiceovers. I might just do videos with a music background and not me talking through the whole thing because I'm kind of limited on time. I've got some orders that need to be filled. So just trying to figure out how to be efficient here. So we're going to do what we got to do. Okay. Let's lay down some boxes. And I think we're going to do pretty similar to what I did last week. Actually, let's go up here in the top and put some florals down. These florals are just gorgeous. We're going to put this little piece up top. And then I think I'm going to trim this a little bit because I did cut it at a wonky angle. I think we're just going to lay it right here. Love it. Perfect. Okay. I put it up the right way. Okay. Now we're going to lay down boxes. So let's take this one, oops, and this one. We're going to put this one down first. Crooked. And then we're going to put this one over here. And then we're going to do this one down here. Oops. Okay. And then let's look at this side. We're going to go for kind of the same thing, except opposite. So let's do green. a little bit crooked, but we're not going to worry about it. And then this burgundy color. I just really like how last week's spread turned out, so that's why we're kind of doing the same thing. And there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, now that we have those laid down, let's try to put a little bit of washi. So I'm wondering, I think that I am going to cut my washi. I'm going to use a ruler and some wax paper because I know if I use my paper trimmer, it's not going to be centered correctly. So let's do this. I'm actually going to put it here so that I don't cut my disc. We're going to use my clear ruler. And let's try to find the center. I don't know if this is the center or not, but this is where we're going to cut it. Let's just see if this works out. It is pretty dang close. Okay, perfect. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and lay some washi down. Oops, I got it all tangled up. Darn it. We're just going to randomly place it before we do our flowers. I normally do washi last, but I want to do washi first. And maybe I want to go all the way to the box. I don't think I've ever done that. Let's just try it. I may have to cut some more, but that's okay too. So we'll go over here, and that piece won't quite reach. Trying to find the straight edge because we're going to go this way. And then we'll do another piece there. So I am going to have to cut some more. We're going to cut it straight on the end. I don't think I cut this the exact same width as the other ones, but it's okay. So cute. Okay, and now we're going to go the opposite direction. So we're going to start down here. We don't exactly have a box to go to. So we're just going to cut this. Wait a minute, let's use a shorter piece that I had left over. That'll probably work better. So I don't have to cut it, and I can save my long pieces. There we go. Okay, now let's take the long piece and let's cut it straight. All right, and then we're going to go, that's actually going to wind up being the same direction. So I'm actually going to skip this box and we're going to go here. Okay. And then we're going to go up here. All right, I think I'm going to do something different here. We're going to pull this up. And we're going to go this way. And then we're going to go here. And it's just going to be okay because I've got these two butted up. These two are opposite. These two are going to be butted up. So I think it's going to be symmetrical. It's going to look okay. Yes. Okay. Now, let's fill in with some florals, which is my favorite part. So let's take, and I think that we're just going to cut cut the edges of the florals and just lay them down like this and not worry too much with doing angles, just because we're not going to make it overly complicated. Love it. And then we're going to go here. Whoops. I kind of want my florals to touch. Now down here, we may have to go with something that we cut. Perfect. Now we're going to take this. We're definitely going to have to use the small sticker sheet to do the other side. It'll be okay. So we're going to go here. I think I want this up top here. And then we'll do something maybe this way. So it goes, no, I want to go this way. So let's take this one. And we're going to cut this way. And then down here. Perfect. Love it. Okay. I think I'm going to use some faith quotes, and I think I'm going to use faith quote 6. I'm just going to use the last of these 2 stickers on this sheet. Even though the fonts don't match perfectly, we're going to use them. We're going to put "He left the 99 to rescue me" in this bottom corner. And I'm actually going to cut a little bit of the T off. Just because I don't want it to overlap on my box. My scissors. These are supposed to be non-stick scissors, but the non-stick part wore off, I guess. Because they are not non-stick anymore. It was a very short-lived non-stick. And then I think we're going to take "Not Today, Satan," and we're going to put it up here. Perfect. Okay. So that sheet is done. And then let's go over here and continue on with our florals. And I think I want to use this bigger one. We're going to put this one here. Love it. Okay, and then we're going to just fill in around. We're going to just cut these in half like we've been doing. This one might be too big. We're going to do it this way. We're going to go down here. I think I want to do a little something here and here and then here. So we're going to take this one and we're going to cut it like this. And then we're going to go here. And I want something that's going to kind of stick out. So we're going to use this one. Beautiful. I love it. Yep. This is pretty and very festive. Okay, let's put it back in my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, would you please go ahead and hit that subscribe button? I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm close. So, and don't forget to go by my website and sign up for email so that you get that special Black Friday early access code that will be for email subscribers only. So that's it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
I will love